Hi, everybody. I hope you're all having a great summer. And I just wanted to make some quick videos and share some easy tricks on how you can get some more student signups in the autumn. So I've been looking at a lot of websites for schools, and what I've noticed is that most of them don't have any schedulers. So, what is a scheduler? And, why do you need one? So the first thing you need to realize is that, as school owners, we need to make it as easy as possible for students to, sign up, book a testing, have a trial lesson or whatever you want, basically. And we need to make that easy as possible. Most schools, what they're doing at the moment is that a student comes to their website, they have to go to the contact page, they have to write an email. Then they have to wait back for a reply. If this is, over the weekend, it could take 2 or 3 days. And, you could lose the student while they're waiting. You need something instantaneous. So, and another thing as well, mostly people will be looking at your website in the evening after work. If they're trying to write you an email, they can get distracted. They can, life happens. Their kids could be crying. They have the best intention of writing the email, but something happens and they get distracted, and then that person is gone. With a scheduler, it's so much easier. They can just book a time, a place, a time, a date, when it's best for them, and you can automatically, have that video call with them. Okay, so you can use. There's many of these schedulers out there, and I'm going to show you now one called Calendly. This is for free, and let me show you how to set it up and show you how easy it is. Okay, so here is the back office of Calendly. It's a free software. You just need to sign up. And when you sign in, this is where you come to. So you need to create a new event type, which is a new calendar, basically. Okay, one-on-one. Give it a name. I don't know, free testing, free online testing. Where's the location? We're going to we'll say Zoom. That's what we use. Give a description. Welcome to our free testing booking page. Add whatever. And next. So here, then you can personalize the hours. So what hours you're available to do these testings. Okay, next. Okay, here is where you can send these, where they'll get the emails. So when they book, they're going to receive an email. You can personalize this. You can put it, thank you for booking. We're looking forward to seeing you, la, la, la. And they'll get the description. Then you can set an email reminder 1 day or 4 or 5 hours before the booking. You can send a text reminder. So that's the beautiful thing about this. They book, they'll get an email confirmation, and they'll get an email and an SMS reminder. So they're not going to forget about your, the testing or the meeting they have with you online. And it's really, really that easy. So let me show you now how this is going to get you more bookings. Okay, so how's this going to make you or get you more students? Okay, so normally when a student comes to your website, they look around, blah, 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 blah. This is our website. They like what to see. Then they go to the contact button. They send you an email. You write back to them. It might be back and forth. And it's kind of very, it's hard to sell things over email. What's better? To have somebody, talking to you where you can explain the benefits of these courses, it's a lot better than email. So when you use Calendly, they'll give you a link. You put the link, embed it in a button. This button says free trial hour. Excuse me. We have it, throughout the site, free trial hour. And we have it on every page. So when they click that button, they get brought to your calendar. Okay, so here we are. Here is the booking, the scheduler. I can book a time. I can book, a day's a time, whenever. And basically that's it. It's just so easy. And that's the golden rule. Make it as easy as possible for your students to talk to you. When you get them on an online meeting, this is your sales call. You can give them all the benefits. You can tell them how you're different. You can sell the course a lot better if they're there in front of you. And, okay, now we're online. But even before we were all online, if you can get somebody into your school to talk to you, it's a lot easier to sell your courses. Okay, so I hope you found that useful. Let me know if you have any feedback. Thanks.